तो मैं आ गई हूँ मेरी चुड़ैल जैसी शक्ल लेके वापस और मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ व्हाटएवर। तो मुझे पता है ये गोल्डन इयररिंग्स और ये सिल्वर चेन बिल्कुल भी मैच नहीं हो रहे हैं, बट ठीक है यार, छोड़ो व्हाटएवर। तो द थिंग इज माई पी इंटरेस्ट वर्क्स एज माई बिगेस्ट मोटिवेटर एवर। लाइक whenever I have tough times, my P interest was only with me. And today, I am gonna give you all those pins. All those, things which P interest has inspired me about. I'm gonna read all those quotes in front of you, all those things which I believe in. And मैं सबसे ज़्यादा P interest ही scroll करती हूँ. And this is the best thing ever. So let's go. And I'm gonna give all the credits to all those people जिन्होंने मुझे मोटिवेट किया है in my description box. So yes, first one which I read today itself, and this I used in my YouTube shorts as well, is all you need is a little delusion and audacity and you can seriously do anything in life. This was the best thing, like best. Second, never apologize for being obsessed. Read all day, work all night, run for hours, forget time exists. Be everywhere but be a ghost. Turn off the world and create your own. Let craft become compulsion. Positive obsession is a gift disguised as a curse. This is like the most relatable thing to me. So, yeah. 90% of success is just not being distracted. Very, very true. Major cheat code in life. Act like things are working out before they do. Your nervous system follows the story, you tell it. This is what I am following. मैं YouTube में ऐसे ही एक्ट करती हूँ जैसे मेरे 1 लाख 2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स है, 41 है. आई लव दोज 41 पीपल. मैं उनके लिए ही वीडियोज़ बनाती हूँ एंड फिर भी मैं एक्ट तो ऐसे ही करूँगी जैसे मेरे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं. एंड आई होप वन डे आई विल हैव, आई होप होंगे. यूनिवर्स इज़ नॉट ऑन अ बजट. This was also from the P interest. The reason you want it so badly is because the version of you in the future already has it. This one is the delusional me, always. This I believe in like the most. Every exceptional person I know is dangerously consistent. Next, win in your mind and you will win in reality. If you aren't willing to work for it, don't complain about not having it. This was for me being consistent again. Then, again, a major cheat code in life. Ask for the big, unreasonable thing. The universe meets you at your level of audacity. Great. I mean, this was one of the best quotes. And you can beat 99% of people if you can master the shame of rejection, the boredom of repetition, and pain of feedback. This also used in my content. Then, until it's done, tell none. That is the law. So this is also for my YouTube. I did not tell anyone. एक जनों को भूल से पता चल गया था मेरी family में से, but I will describe the story later on. Okay. Now, next one. Don't be normal when you have potential to be best in your bloodline. I already know this. You cannot build a great life with average effort. If you want more than most, you are going to have to do more than the most. Okay, this one is the reality one. They want to see you do good, but never better than them. Remember that. If you are not consistent, you are not serious. Make yourself so busy, so disciplined, so determined that you don't have time to know what's happening in other people's life. It is making this pointless. Comparisons or irrational opinions. Stay focused and devoted to yourself. When you exercise your talents, they will multiply. Law of alignment. Act, think, and feel as if it's already yours. Your energy must match your desire. If you want different results, you need different standards. Kill them with success and bury them with a smile. It was best. You don't need more hustle, you need more systems. Get serious about what you want out in life and lock in. playtime is over. It was a reminder to me that you are not allowed to do the time pass and all. And after this, I think I stopped watching movies and everything. So yeah, it's time to get more aggressive about the life you want. When you are good at something, you will tell everyone. When you are great at something, they will tell you. Be crazy enough to know you can do anything you want in life. This is what I am. Embarrassment is the cost of entry. If you aren't willing to look like a foolish beginner, you will never become a graceful master. This was the quote again I started for content, and today I am so thankful that I am consistent enough so that I can talk without getting embarrassed in front of camera. Still I'm not lying at this point, but still I'm a little embarrassed, but not as before. Today I will just upload it without even thinking. So yeah, I'm not embarrassed, like little, but that's fine, you know. I will work on that too. I have a theory that the more ambitious you are, the luckier you get. You were put on earth to be so widely passionate that people can't decide if you are crazy or genius. Be delusional enough to believe that it's possible. Be disciplined enough to prove yourself right. Your bloodline has been waiting for a woman like you. The more audacity you have, the more life rewards you. The entire point of life is to take chances on dreams that seems crazy to most, but feel like destiny to you. So these were all the quotes which have, you know, made me who am I today. And mostly this has helped me in content. I hope everything that I have read helps you too. These are my strongest beliefs and they have helped me very much. So this is also a cheat code that you read quotes on Pinterest or anywhere you like to motivate yourself whenever you are down and get up, because you know you only get to live once and you have to prove yourself. You have to be the most best person in your bloodline. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye.